This video shows how to save all your programs onto a data card. It uses -9999, which tells the control that it's got to save all the programs. Now unfortunately they do come out as one great big long program, so if you do need them then you'd have to separate them back out into individual programs. But the good thing, if you're short on time, this is a good routine to get into, because at least you have got everything saved. So if you do delete something by accident, you can always come back to this and get your program. Obviously the best thing is save them individually, but if you're short on time, just always do this, because that will guarantee that you've got all your programs. I'm going to punch all the programs out on this Fanuc series OITC circa 2006. I'm going to go program, directory, data card, and then I'm looking for punch. I'm going to go punch, and I'm going to give it a name, so I'm going to call it all. So I'll put A-L-L, so name set, and then for the O set you go -1 2 3 4 O set, and then press execute, and that'll output everything onto that.